I'm gonna change up the design a little bit. I mean, it's rainbow on the inside, but I mean, now I'm gonna show off. Whoops. Hey guys, Buddy Valastro here from Buddy Valastro's Cake Dynasty and Legends of the Fork on Tastemade's Tiny Talks. Today, I'm gonna be making a tiny rainbow cake. Well, I would have to get a tiny kitchen first, right? So you need a tiny kitchen, you need a tiny oven. Oh, look at that. The whole 6 colors. Not bad. Let's see if we can do better. I'm going to take my little piping bag, pipe some buttercream around. I am so excited about Cake Dynasty, to be honest with you. I think people are gonna love it. You know, it's really where I am in my life now. You're gonna see the dynamics of me and my family. My kids were young and they weren't on television so much. But now they're older and they wanna be a part of it. And it's really the succession of everything that they do. A baking piece of equipment that I cannot live without is a turntable, okay? And which I don't have here. Oh, thank you. There's a big turntable for a little cake, but you know, who's judging? So Legends of the Fork for me is really going around the country, seeing places that are legendary, okay? And I wanna share what I think is the secret sauce of what makes them legendary. Because most people would quit when they're given a tiny cake. Not this guy. Oh, you got this thing. I didn't even see this. Look at this. You got this. I had to make my own, see? I'm crafty. And I didn't know it when I first started doing television. I just thought that I was doing a TV show. But then wind up seeing that you inspire people to want to become a baker. You know, inspired people to want to cake decorate. Inspired people to go hang out with their family because they got a crazy sister like me. I mean, now I'm going to show off. With Legends, just seeing kind of like all these great places that the world has to offer, you know, and just being able to kind of like show what makes them special and unique. I think people are going to get a really good kick out of that. It's going to have to be a team effort. I need both you guys. Oh, when you fall, I guess we're going to have to put it sideways. It was good. That cake was sweet, but not as sweet as my new series premiering November 11th, Saturday, 9 o'clock, A&E, Legends of the Fork, Cake Dynasty, boom!
2 new series premiering November 11th at 9, part of Homemade Nation on A&E.